अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा हार्ट के को रिलैक्स करने का और हार्ट अटैक अगर हो ना तो उसके लिए फ़ौरन इंस्टेंटली जो रेमेडी है ना कि उससे आप मर नहीं सकते। तो उसके लिए ये है कि जिस इंसान को भी हार्ट अटैक हो ना तो उसके लिए कुछ मैं चीज़ें आपको बताऊंगी और आपने ख़ुद भी उस पर एफ़र्ट करनी है। ये जो मैं आपको लाल मिर्ची दिखा रही हूँ ना, ये आपने गौर से देख लेनी है। इस किस्म की, इस साइज़ की ना, जो मोटे ज़रा उसकी हों वो आपने नहीं लेनी, ठीक है ना। ये ज़रा पतली नहीं है, लंबी भी नहीं है, तो ज़रा मोटा साइज़ है इनका, ठीक है। तो ये वाला साइज़ आपने लाल मिर्चों का नहीं लेना। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में फिर मैं आपको मज़ीद इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन देती हूँ। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अब ये मैं आपको काइन पेपर जो है वो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल ये बता रही हूँ। ये देखिए, ये इसकी पिक्चर है रेड कलर की, लंबी लंबी 2 इंचेस से लेकर 5 इंचेस तक इनकी लंबाई होती है और ये पतली होती है। और रेड पहले ये ग्रीन कलर के प्लांट पे लगी होती है और फिर ये आप उसको ग्रीन कलर की जब हो तो इनको उतार लें और इनको फिर रख दें और फिर ये ड्राई भी हो जाएंगी और रेड कलर की कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगी। ये देखिए लिखा हुआ है 2 इंचेस टू 5 इंचेस लॉन्ग। और ये मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के पिज़्ज़ा रेस्टोरेंट्स में और दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट्स में ये इस्तेमाल होती है। ये हिस्ट्री है इसकी अबाउट पेपर्स, ये सारा इसका है डिटेल काइन पेपर की। और इसकी जो टाइप्स हैं ना वो ये वाली टाइप्स हैं, ये टाइप्स हैं, टाइप्स ऑफ काइन पेपर। काइन पेपर की अब ये जो टाइप्स हैं इनकी डिटेल भी इंशाल्लाह मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। काइन पेपर आप अपने घर में लगाएं और इसको जो है वो इसका पौधा भी मैं नेक्स्ट वाली जो वीडियो होगी उसमें मैं आपको इसका पौधा भी दिखाऊंगी कि किस किस्म का इसका प्लांट होता है, फूल किस किस्म के निकलते हैं। और इंशाल्लाह ताला तो ये आप करें, अपने साथ रखें, अपनी पॉकेट में रखा करें। तो ये एक वीडियो है डॉक्टर बाबरा ओ नील, ये डॉक्टर बाबरा ओ नील है, ये इनकी वीडियो है जो कि इस वक्त मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ आपसे। तो इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मज़ीद इसकी डिटेल बताऊँगी। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Have a look at cayenne pepper. This is my travelling pack. I take cayenne pepper everywhere with me. Cayenne pepper is a remarkable herb. Cayenne pepper is not chili. Chili comes from the chili family and cayenne pepper comes from the capsicum family. Chili is an irritant to the lining of the gastrointestinal tract. Black pepper is an irritant to the lining of the gastrointestinal tract. But cayenne pepper will heal a stomach ulcer. Cayenne pepper moves blood. It's one of the best circulatory stimulants there is. It's not a nervous system stimulant like your caffeines or your tobacco. It's a blood stimulant. And when you consider that the life of the flesh is in the blood, cayenne pepper is a wonderful healer. And you can put cayenne pepper with any other herb and it'll intensify its action. So let's begin by looking at how you can use cayenne pepper internally. By the way, how would you take it? Well, a medicinal dose may be a quarter of a teaspoon in a little bit of water and throw it down. Won't it burn? Well, I prefer to call it tingle. It might feel like it's burning, but it will never burn. I have a book at home by Jethro Klass called Back to Eden. He devotes half a page to every herb except for cayenne pepper. 10 pages he devotes to cayenne pepper. It's a remarkable herb. And I think I mentioned this the other night. You can get an ebook. It's called Curing with Cayenne by Sam Beiser. And you can download that book. The whole book is on cayenne pepper. It's a remarkable herb. So let's have a look at internally. Internally, it'll heal a stomach ulcer because what the cayenne does, it causes a constriction of any open blood vessels. So just for a moment, let's look at externally. If you have a cut, you pour cayenne pepper into it and it'll stop the bleeding. Now, we had a Fijian doctor come over and work with me for a couple of weeks. She wanted to look at what we did. You know, she works in Suva now. Her name is the nutritional doctor. She works all with natural medicines. But let's back to Misty Mountain. I'm giving a lecture, and I heard a crash in the kitchen, but I just kept lecturing, as I always do. Like when the little girl does ballerinas there, I just keep lecturing. Yes, the building might fall down, and I just abuse cayenne pepper. It's impossible to abuse it. It's actually a very safe herb. It will never harm. It might feel like it sometimes, but it will never harm. You can also use it internally if someone has a heart attack. Now, I had read about this, but I experienced it once, and it was when we had our health retreat in Melbourne. I got a call from one of the staff. The lady's had a heart attack in the middle of a cooking class. So I ran down. I was there in 3 minutes. The lady's lying on the ground. Her face is white. There's a guy holding a pulse. He said, the pulse is gone. Almost. I said, quick, cayenne pepper. I got a half a teaspoon on it of cayenne pepper, quickly put it in her mouth. She was half conscious. We're able to give her a little bit of water to drink. Within 2 minutes, the guy holding the pulse said the pulse is strong. All the colour came back into her cheeks, and she sat up and said, what happened? Just amazing. We sold out of cayenne pepper that program. Everyone, what happened to that lady? What happened to that lady is that cayenne pepper, when it got into the blood vessels, it thinned the blood. This is the best blood thinner. No need to warfarin. For warfarin, I mean rat poison. No need for aspirin. And by the way, it has been shown today that aspirin causes brain bleeds. This is very, very safe with no side effects. Now, if someone is on warfarin or aspirin and they're a little concerned, I would suggest start taking a quarter of a teaspoon 3 times a day. And most people, if they're on warfarin, they have to be tested, every few weeks or every month. And the doctor will say, your blood's getting so thin, we can reduce your medication. Because he will see it if you're taking cayenne pepper. It's very safe. There are, I was going to say many doctors, probably 1% of doctors, there are a few that are using natural medicines with amazing results. See, there's no side effect with this. You could take a bucket of that a day and you would still not bleed to death.